The moderator of the General Assembly of the Presbyterian Church of Ghana, Right Reverend Dr. Abraham Nana Opare Kwakye, has praised the Kibi Presbyterian College of Education for its remarkable achievements in teacher education, describing the college as a model of academic and moral excellence. Speaking at the college's 17th congregation held on Friday, August 29, 2025, at the Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo Auditorium, the moderator commended both management and staff for their dedication to nurturing competent and value-driven educators. In his keynote address, Right Reverend Dr. Opare Kwakye highlighted the college's impressive performance, where 536 students graduated, including 125 first-class honors and 303 second-class upper. He noted that such achievements affirm the college's commitment to high academic standards and its vision of producing teachers who combine knowledge and moral integrity.
We graduate students who have served in this place and studied and are ready now to move out into the world and be the salt and light of this world. Last year, I was here for the graduation, and I commended KIPCE for graduating 30 students with first class. And I urge you to double your first class for last year. So when I look at the result, I don't know what to say, because this is a bit even more than a quadruple of the original result for last year. From 30 to 125 is a major leap, and let us put our hands together for all those who worked hard for this. I have looked at the results. That for first class, 2 years ago, this college produced 17. Last year, the college produced 30. And now the college has produced 125. Now, I don't know what you will do next year, because you cannot do anything less than what you have done this year. Principal of college, next year we expect that if you can quadruple, at least you have to double. So next year, nothing less than 250 first class should be the standard. I commend you. I commend you. I commend you. From the depth of my heart, I want to say I salute you. Ayiko, 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 Ayiko. You have made us all proud, and we are proud of your achievements. Indeed, when I look at the results, I am excited. I think it is an exciting time to be associated with this college.
He urged the graduands to uphold the Presbyterian values of discipline, integrity, and service as they enter the teaching profession, stressing that teachers play a transformative role in shaping society. The moderator further applauded the institution's ability to blend academic rigor with cultural and moral formation, making Kibi Presbyterian College of Education not just an academic center, but a hub of holistic education. PCG TV also took time to speak with the general manager of Presbyterian schools.
Nyamiandum from 1848, Presbyterian Church of Ghana. Edinim die ebeye adwuma wo memu ha in terms of establishing schools. Every year we've been graduating individuals, and more important than teachers, because out of our 5 colleges of education, we've been successful in contributing to the national development so far. And once again, today being another opportunity where Kibi Presbyterian College of Education is also graduating students for the nation. If I may ask, we are in an era where approaches of yesterday doesn't work because of the dynamic nature of our system in which we find ourselves. It is a me futu bi a me de betu mofra na teacher for na nyame adom. They are hesitant officially to go back to the classroom to go and contribute their quota. I'll tell them, continuous learning is only what will do the magic. With the continuous learning, I expect them to learn as much as they can. Learning should be part of their daily activities. If you say near money might not work in the classroom, but as the key note speaker said, we need to ensure that all the children become so useful. And as much as they become useful to society and contribute meaningfully to impact or affect our society, the teachers themselves should continuously learn. And as they go back to the classroom and teach, my passionate recommendation for them once again is that teaching is a special activity in our life where people will forever challenge you to clarity. Because yes, we expect once I'm teaching, I say behavior being so but once the behavior is not seen, all that it means is that people have not been able to probably understand what you are telling them. The people will forever challenge with clarity, and over there, as the keynote speaker said, the emotional intelligence should come at play. It should not be an insult. They should also go back into their system and reflect and find out whether what is that didn't go well in the classroom that is giving them the result that they are saying, and probably relearn and come back again, so that we'll continuously churn out individuals who will be very beneficial to our dear nation Ghana. That would be my piece of advice.
The congregation, which was marked with cultural performances from the college choir and dance troupe, reaffirmed Kibi Presbyterian College of Education's growing reputation as a center of excellence in teacher education.
Thank you very much. We move to the staff.